Welcome to paradise at Crystal Villa in Weligama, south coast of Sri Lanka. Hello guys, let us show you our room with the ocean view. The villa has 3 rooms with a sea view and 2 detached 1-bedrooms. It's just by the beach and they offer a rich and delicious breakfast. Look at that. We were a bit cheeky and we requested a tray so we could have it at the pool. Later in the day, the general manager took us to Mirissa.
We are here in the fishing harbor of Mirissa. Shehan was very kind to bring us here and the place is lovely. Especially in the morning, he was saying it's full of fish. Everybody buys from here and they are taking it to the restaurant, to other hotels.
So Shehan took us to the beach in Mirissa after the fishing port and we are just admiring the sunset now. It's lovely here, the sand is amazing. So yeah, we are taking some shots as well and we're gonna post them now for you. The waves are huge here. I have to be careful I don't go too much inside the water, otherwise I get all wet. And you have all the palms along the beach. It makes it lovely. Nice atmosphere. The sun went down and our bellies took us to the #1 Roti Shop in Mirissa.
We are having roti with egg, cheese and prawns.
Good morning from the terrace of our room at Crystal Villa. We slept nicely and now we woke up. It's something like 7 AM. The light is so soft, we can see the sea. And also some surfers are already trying to catch some waves. But let's go back to the villa, not to the pool. On that day, we had a cooking class.
Oh. Very powerful.
So yeah.
Okay. This is tamarind, the black one you see here in this little box. The dry coconut here.
Yes.
And this is like a local
Ash plant, yes. Yeah, this is chili, very spicy. This is chili, grind chili, mustard, something. A little bit for the tempering. Garlic chop, saffron, mascara powder, ghee, oh my god, salt. This is actually the milk. See?
Yeah.
This is green. First tempered, and then the milk, and then fish. And coconut. This one bring the coconut will bring the nice taste. That's why I put it at the end.
Because it's delicate.
Now he's mixing with the hands. That's all within 2 minutes you get the very nice one.
Mallung with the dry coconut and onion and a lot of spices together. How to taste now the food, if it's
Like
okay.
Right.
Ooh.
Spicy.
Nice.
So we're about to eat the food that has been prepared before, and we were like attending the cooking class, you know?
And now it's gonna be a challenge because all of the food we have to eat with a hand. No cutleries.
No cutleries.
No cutleries. Shehan is gonna give us instruction on how to eat with just the hands.
Now,
Okay.
now this kind of bones, you can take the hands and keep it side.
Yes.
Hands are easy for you.
For me, the right.
Left, right, okay, right. It's something. Don't worry. You just eat.
Yeah, they do
First
like
you have to
the-
wash your hands.
Yes, we did.
watch
We
it.
did. Take rice like this.
Yeah, just to mix it.
You mix.
Yeah,
Yes.
mix it like
Mix it like that.
Take one side. This you should keep it here. This fish, take it
Fish
by
on the
hands and
side.
keep it here side. Yes. Now you just take piece of this, keep it here. Little piece of that and keep it here. Just mix it.
Mix it. Okay. So
No, not like that. Not like that. Nicely mix it.
Oh,
Halfway. Yes. Don't worry, just squeeze. Don't worry, nothing going to be damaged.
David, confident.
Can it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like this. Hold it like this. Now this is rice, right? When you squeeze it like this, just to press like this,
Like press, no?
like and then eat.
Make it
Like this.
compact.
Yes. All 4 fingers like this. 4 fingers. 4 fingers. Press harder, and then eat like this. Like that. That's good as well. Very good. Very good. See? See? Somebody's watching.
Bit of practice, but we will get there.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
proper way eating.
For me, it's harder because I decided to use the right hand, even though I'm left hand.
Oh, yes.
Because in Sri Lankan culture, you do something else with the left. Good, you know?
Oh, not bad.
Is good taste?
Very
Good. Maybe I need more liquid to make it compact.
That's curry, yes, curry. You just put curry, it's not spicy. Now you learn, see? Bartoki.
Yeah, it tastes good.
Yeah, that's right.
Because you, rather than you eating with a fork and knife, because you mix it with nicely with the hands, and you get taste, the spices taste, mix it, everything.
Building a house.
Building a house. Thank you.
And what a better way to end the video, with a sunset and with you pressing the like button, subscribing and sharing the video with your friends. See you in the next one.